All right, my people, welcome back to my channel. All right, this content I'm about to share is very important and educative. All right, and this will save you from a whole lot of mess and will also help you to save huge amount of money. Using this platform called OPay. All right, and in my next video I'll also show other platforms that you can use to do interesting things for yourself. And OPay is reliable for now in Nigeria, and in the next video I'm also going to show you how you can use your PalmPay to do interesting things. There are so many features that these guys have embedded in this platform that we don't really know. So this video today will be an eye-opener that will help you to save money, make money, and achieve some certain goal that you've already stated for yourself. You get. So I'm going to be talking about SaveBox. Now, what does this SaveBox do? This SaveBox helps you to save money, just like your akawo. If you have heard of this popular name called akawo. All right, these are people that walks around to collect funds from people to help them save it. So they basically walk around every day, and what will you do? You buy a card from them. After buying the card, each day you put a specific amount. Let me assume you are putting in 100 naira every day. They will mark it for you and record it. So at the end of every specific agreed date that you take the money, they will take their own interest as their own commission of helping you to save your money. But now there's this disadvantage about what they are doing right now, because I'm going to talk about from experience what happened to my mom last year, December 2025. Now, it was being painted that this woman is so reliable. She even have a point of location where you can locate her. She has a shop where you can definitely meet her. Now she has already shown transparency in that area. But what now happened to this woman? This woman died during December period when people actually wanted to withdraw their money. I seen what is happening. My mom lost about 100 and something K because she was already planning. I will use this money do one or two things. I know we are Nigerians, yes. And at the end of the day, this man died, and the money has entered voicemail. There's nothing you can do. Even though she'll get it, I don't think it's that easy for her to get it. The money has entered voicemail, so that money has gone. That is one of the biggest disadvantages of doing akawo. Is either the person goes bankrupt or use the money to do something stupid or do business or whatever, and at the end of the day she's not able to pay off the money. Is either she run away or BP will kill her, him or her, whatsoever. So this is the main reason why you should stay out of this whole stuff called akawo. I'm not trying to spoil their businesses, but I think there's a better option. If you feel that is safe, you are seeing the person. For most of us that don't really understand the digital space right now, this is why I'm doing this video, for you to actually understand it. I'm going to come down to show you the exact step. It's like I'm talking long, but I'm just trying to make you understand what I'm trying to do. So the first thing to do is to click on this save box. All right, if you should watch on this app OPay, you see to OPay, to bank, withdraw, airtime, data, betting, electricity, SaveBox, loan, internet, and more. So in case you don't see this SaveBox here, you can click on more. All right, so all the features of OPay is out. So what will you now do? You search for what? You search for SaveBox. Alright, look at SaveBox here. So Now I've already clicked on SaveBox. I've already clicked on SaveBox. So what will you now do? You go to your settings. Alright, you click on your settings. So you click on auto save settings. Okay, these are the steps to start up this whole. It's very simple and understandable. So you click on auto save settings. Alright, so I already have a setup here which OPay takes 800 naira from my account every day. Alright, so you can decide to save to 2000 naira every day, depends on your capacity. You can decide to save 500 naira every day, depends on your capacity. So if you don't have any setup, it will automatically take you to where you fill up your information how you want it. So if I should go to edit, it's going to show me how to set up my information. Right now what I put is 800. Alright, I can decide to make it up to 1000. Alright, let me just put it 1000. Now it depends on how much you want to be saving and how you want to save it. If you want to save it daily, weekly, monthly, it depends on how you actually want it. So I prefer saving daily. If I can buy data of 1500 every day, I can definitely save 1000 euro for myself. So this is actually it. So let me go to start date. So I click on now. I actually want to start now, not tomorrow, so I'll leave it now. So what is the preferred time that I would want these guys to be moving the money from my account to SaveBox? They will just transfer it from your main account to SaveBox account. So every 5 a.m. in the morning, OPay will remove the money from my main account and transfer it to SaveBox account. So got it here, 5 a.m. So where is the money going out from? OPay balance and O wealth. That's where they're taking the money from. Or you can choose to take it from OPay balance only, or you can choose to take it from O wealth only. So I put it in OPay balance and O wealth. So that's the preferred option for this. So now let's say auto deposit 1000 naira from OPay balance and O wealth at 5 a.m. every day start from now. So that means that by tomorrow 5 a.m. money is going to be deducted from my account to my SaveBox account. So now here we have disable interest on your savings. I don't want to disable interest, so I actually need that little interest that they will be adding. So it's needed. So and I'll click on save, and I'll put my pin. So let me try again. So that's basically it. You've already done your setup. So if you can see here, you see auto save deposit 1000 naira daily is on. Alright, so now you can also set a particular day you want to withdraw your money. Yes, once set, you can change this date at any time, but you cannot go back to using SaveBox free withdrawal days. So let's explain this very importantly so that you not feel that OPay will take your money. Now if you actually set a particular day, let me say this is February now and you want to withdraw your money in July 1st, OPay is not going to charge you any money. You are going to withdraw free. You're going to withdraw that money free. But let's say now it's not up to that date and you want to withdraw money, there are going to be charges for it. You just want to break the box and withdraw the money, there's going to be charges for it. So that's very simple. So but if you want to save this money, you want to be disciplined enough to allow it to get to that particular time. So this is where you can select. Now you can choose, I want to save 49 days, Thursday, whatever. So these are the available days you want to save till December or whatever. If you want to push it to next year too, it's still available. Okay, this is September 2026. You get, so you can, so that's just basically it. You can choose any preferred day that you would want to withdraw your money at a free rate. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much, and give a thumb like to this video. You can also share to your loved ones and drop a comment below. Maybe if you don't really understand anything, I could any part of this video, I would explain more to you guys. Thank you for watching, and do well to subscribe to Money Tech YouTube channel. Thank you.